7 days have passed and the airlock activity has dropped a lot. But has it finished? Well, the best way to find out is to check the gravity using a hydrometer, sterilised of course. It's a bit hard to see, but that reading is 1.000. It's dry, it's done. But wait, there's still some bubbles coming through the airlock, and I know there would be a lot of gas in the form of carbon dioxide escaping, but the best thing to do is to actually leave the brew a bit longer, just to see if it's really finished. Let's give it a few more days, and if it's still reading 1.000, then yes, it's done. 14 days have now passed, so it's time to take another gravity reading just to make sure that it's finished. And guess what? The gravity has dropped more. The hydrometer reading is now at 0.990. That's very dry, and I'm saying it's done. Now we can roughly work out how strong this wine is going to be. The starting gravity was 1.086, and the final gravity is now 0.990. So if we take the final reading away from the original reading and multiply it by 131.25, we get 12.6. So I'm calling that a very respectable 12.5% ABV. Nice. So now it's time to do something called racking. This is where I use an auto-siphon and transfer the wine into 2 demijohns. The demijohns I use can hold just under 5 litres. I also use airlocks, just in case there is still a small amount of fermentation happening, and also to let the carbon dioxide gas escape. The next bit is called being patient. Leave the demijohn somewhere out of direct sunlight and in a stable temperature. At this point the wine is cloudy, but with time it will clear, and anything in suspension will drop to the bottom. In the next episode we'll bottle the wine and have a taste.